Hey guys, Keith of Alaskan Motorhome, and recently I made a video about trying to repair my Kwikee steps. And of course I failed. It was a big fail. So anyways, I called the company and they weren't a lot of help. I guess after 2004 or something like that, they quit making the parts for anything prior to that. So anyways, I called him, and talking with the company, the guy was like, I don't know what to tell you. He wanted me to buy a whole new set of steps for $600 to $800. And I said, well, that's totally out of the question. So I said, what part can I get that I can try to fix this? So he sent me this, or gave me this part number, and all the other Kwikee step motors were like around 70, 80 bucks. This one was 223. But I ended up finding a good deal on it for like 160. So anyways, it just came in the mail. Like to see that Amazon smile. So anyways, this is the pre-whatever. I'll have to look at the specs, but anyways, it's a pre-99 Kwikee step motor. I guess that's been updated and all that, so that's why it costs so much. So anyways, let's open this up and see what's inside. So it's from Lippert Components, which is what their new name is now. And this is a Kwikee step 90952 and then 4 zeros. 90952 and then 4 zeros. Step electrical component. Well, let's open this thing up. So let's see here, we got some instructions. Okay, those will probably come in handy. Ooh, here, look at here. Got a bag of parts. So we have the plate cover, the gear, and then a new electrical hookup. And then here we have the motor. Man, I sure hope this works. Well, I definitely have to read the instructions. There, that's how it goes. Just like that. Also, currently I just have my steps unhooked. Alright, so I'm gonna crawl underneath here and see if we can connect this new motor. Well, so I was under here comparing the two motors, and it seems like it's gonna bolt up okay. Now I have that new electrical connection, but mine doesn't have a plug in. It has this thing. It's like a little box with screws, so I'm gonna undo these, and I'm assuming this is some kind of a junction. Aha, look at that. Okay, well, I guess that'll make it easy. Alright, well, now that I got my assistant here, we'll really get some work done now. Huh? Thumbs up?
I'm not down.
That's a wrench.
It's upside down.
Well, I guess now's the moment of truth. It'd help if I put my glasses on, I can see what I'm doing.
Are your glasses?
Yeah. You forgot to remind me to put my glasses on, why? Alright, well, everything seems to bolt up. I couldn't use the screws that came with it because obviously they've changed the thread pattern or something because it was different. So I've got all the power unhooked from these steps. What are you doing there, assistant?
Making noise.
You're making noise? Well, you definitely are. Alright. I need to put the Carter clip back in the pin there. Okay, so I think all that's left to do is just plug this in. There we go. And now I'm gonna go reinstall all my fuses. We'll see if it works. Alright, so let's see here. Number 5 and these two bottom ones. Let's see if 5 goes there and a 25 goes here. But they only moved a little ways. Well, it's been a couple days since I worked on the RV. I replaced that motor and the steps weren't going in and out all the way. So I lubricated them up and now they go in and out real nice and free. But now the big problem is I think my control unit burned out, because if I open or close the door, it will not come in or out, and the switch doesn't seem to have any effect. So I started looking around to see what a new control unit would cost, and of course you can't buy one for a 94. So they have another one that you can buy and it's like $200 or $300, so that's kind of out of the question right now. So my first option, I'm going to try to replace the switch and see if that has any effect, and if not, Then I am going to bypass the control unit. Now I can hook power to the 2 wires that come out of the motor, and the steps will come out. If I switch them, the steps will go in. So I might just have to run some kind of, I don't know if it's a 3-way switch or what, but I'll have to do some research into that and figure out where I can flip a switch and they come out, flip it off, flip a switch to go up, and then flip it off. So I hate to do that, but I don't have any other ideas. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. Well, we've been busy the last couple of days because my middle daughter Elizabeth just had her 3rd child, which will be our 7th grandchild and the 2nd granddaughter. So we've got 5 boys and 2 granddaughters. So anyways, been keeping us busy. So anyways, I just wanted to update you on the steps, and I guess I'll make a video of how I'm going to wire this rig job to bypass the control unit. So anyways, till next time, everybody travel safe. See you later.